So those fruit rolls are great snacks, super easy.
All you got to do is
mangoes.
puree
I'm gonna make a mango one because it is kind of my favorite fruit.
This is really loud though. I mean, we got some.
You don't want to do it?
Okay.
Okay. So then you're gonna puree like this. You're gonna use a baking sheet.
A Silpat sheet,
exactly.
Right?
If you don't have one of those, you don't have to buy it. You can use a parchment paper.
Parchment paper, sure.
Exactly. And you're just gonna spread that in.
Super, super thin.
Yep, super thin. Make a thin layer.
And then what are the little black things? Are these poppy seeds or flax?
Those are chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Yes.
Sprinkle those in.
And you can really have fun with this, guys.
You're just drying out fruit.
That's it. You
delicious, nutritious.
A little later.
They're adorable.
They really are. And put it in the oven.
Can I try one? Yeah.
Yes.
Just let it dry
and
out.
see if you like it.
Okay. I love playing with food.
And when they come out, guys, they come out like this. Aren't they great?
Oh my God, they're delicious.
Yes. Just
a little pizza cutter.
Cut them out, strip, roll them out, store it, and you're good to go. Great snacks.
Yeah.